Welcome to Combat University. I'm Tim Heisey, and for this lesson, we'll be going over part 2 of our Superman series of self-defense. This time, I'll be showing you techniques based off of the fight scene in Batman vs. Superman. This is where Batman sprayed Superman with kryptonite gas and went on the offensive. After you watch this video clip, I'll meet you back here to go over what you can do if you ever find yourself in this type of situation. Let's check it out. In that clip, you can see that Batman went in for a choke. And so Superman got in that position. That's what we're going off of today. So Bob here doesn't have hands. We're just going to have to use his ghost hand and pretend that he's grabbing our throat. So he's got us in a chokehold. First thing we're going to do is we're going to grab his hand and we're going to relieve pressure. You can do it with one hand or you can do it with both hands, whatever you need to do depending on the size and strength. So grab, release pressure, kick the groin. You can do multiple kicks or you can just do one big kick. We're going to step, claw the eyes, turn, stomp the knee. We're going to step and place ourselves to go behind our opponent. Step. Cut the ears. Again, grab the hand, release the pressure. Knee up, kick. Claw the eyes from the outside in. So basically you're doing outside with a raking claw. Rake the eyes. Stomp the knee. Step. Step. Cut the ears. One more time slowly so you can see it. And that's it for technique number 1. Technique number 2, the independent. So for this one, we're going to wait for our opponent to strike. We're looking at him, probably right here in the chest, we can see what's going on. He goes to make a move. Out block. Just out block, that's all it is. Karate Kid, wax off. Because we're going to block that hand, kick. So when we block, it's going to shift our weight just a little bit. Allows us to take the weight off this leg. Knee up, snap kick to the groin. Step, claw, leg up, knee, step, step. Cut the back of the ears. One more time slowly. Now for step 3, the aggressor. We're not going to wait for him to punch. This makes it rather simple. Hands up to block. Strike. Here. Strike. Pretty easy. The only thing you have to realize, hands are up, just for protection. Whoa, hold on. Shift from one side to the other. Do right, or you can do left on this one. We'll do left on this one just to show you. Kick, strike, knee stomp, step, step, cut the ears. That's it for step number 3. We can also use this technique on any type of heavy bag. Let me show you. Being choked. Grab, release the pressure. Kick, claw, step, step. Cut the back of the ears. So you don't have to have this guy. So what if you don't have a bob and you don't have a bag? That's still okay. We can still do these techniques. We're just going to have to shadow box. In other words, use an imaginary opponent. So I have Charlie here. He's my height, my build, athletic. He can be as big as you want or as little as you want. It's up to you. So for this one here, I'm going to be choked. I feel him. I see him. He's got his hand on my throat. Grab, release, kick, claw, knee, step, cup the ears. You can still do it. Hey. That's it for today. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And I'll see you back here next time for more self-defense techniques.